Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of a morning gap trade that was taken today, and today being Tuesday, March 15th, 2016. And the trade was taken on Mead Johnson Nutrition Company. Now, who ever heard of that? And it doesn't really matter, because what I do in my course over at LazyGapTrader.com is I teach you exactly what stocks we're looking for what are called morning gap trades. And in my course, I also teach two specific different strategies. One is the morning gap trades that we're going to look at here, and the second is gap fill trades, where we can identify particular stocks that are coming back to fill a gap that was left open from another point in time and profit accordingly. So that's the second strategy. But for today, we're looking at the morning gap strategy, and also, not only do I have a course, but I also have a service where I provide my gap trades to members each and every day, and I do it on a 2-week trial to see if you like the service. So what I do is I provide a list of stocks each and every day, similar to this one here. This was the one that went out today, and we had 4 potential gap trades, and right now we happen to be in between earnings season. So the gap trades sometimes are few and far between. The big companies have basically reported earnings already. The Fortune 500 companies, the Dow companies, the NASDAQ 100 companies, the majority of them have already reported earnings and it's over, and that's where the big movers generally take place. But earnings season will be coming up again real soon, and their gap trades will be running wild once again during earnings season. But today I had 4 opportunities, and we only had 1 hit, and that's fine, because the 1 hit was a nice profitable scenario for members that took the trade. And it was Mead Johnson Nutrition. MJN was the ticker symbol. You could see here it was the 3rd one down. It says resistance levels are $83.13 and $85.49, and the stop and profit target is about 60 to 70 cents. In my course, I teach where that's the minimum profit target, and I teach specifically what that means. So let's go over back to the chart, and here's a daily chart. So let's drill down, and we'll even go to a 5-minute chart of MJN. And as you can see, the stock opened high this morning and immediately sold off. You can see the red line running across the screen represents the $83.13 that was identified as a resistance point. And the reason why I want to show this to you is because it helps identify and display the power of the levels that I provide. And it's not just me providing the levels that's important, it's the course at LazyGapTrader.com where I teach you exactly how to find the same levels that I do. I teach you the methodology I use to find the levels, the math behind it. I teach you exactly what time frames to use on the charts. I teach you exactly how to get the same levels where you could come up with the same $83.13. And as you can see, just 25 minutes later, the stock made a low of $80.76. Now that's a $2.37 difference in just about 25 minutes from the opening bell this morning. Now, if you can identify levels where a stock is likely to find resistance like this, or on the other side, support, where a stock's likely to find support and bounce higher, it's the same routine. It's a profitable scenario either way. Now, as you can see, the stock, MJN, closed yesterday at $75.43. And the stock opened up above $83. So can you imagine a stock gapping higher around 10% or more and being able to pinpoint and identify a level where you're going to have the high probability of a price reaction? And that's exactly what we saw. It's that price reaction that produces profits. And it's in my course at LazyGapTrader.com that I want to teach you exactly how to produce those profits for yourself. Come over, check it out, LazyGapTrader.com. You can do this for yourself each and every day. Each and every day, I provide stocks like this that are gapping higher or lower at the open. I teach you how to do it for yourself, or you can also sign up for my service where I'll hand them to you on a silver platter. My members get that email each and every day at about 9:15 in the morning, and they have a silver platter of stocks that are likely to find support or resistance levels based on the same methodology that I teach in the course. Come over to lazygaptrader.com, learn how to do this for yourself, profit for life. This is a license to print money in the markets. Gap trading is the single best day trading strategy available in the market today. Come learn for yourself, profit for yourself. I'm David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Come check it out, folks. Thanks for tuning in.